What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use single take in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open camera app. Now after opening the camera app, click on this more option and from here select single take. Now after selecting single take, press and hold on this shutter button to start recording. And when the recording is start, you can take a video of 10 seconds from different angles, and after that open the video that you have recorded, and then it will make different type of shots of that object. So this is the boomerang clip, and this is the fast forward clip, this is the original video, and this is the picture it took from the video. So that's how you can use single take in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.